What's up everyone, legomanmicky back with another video. Today's video is going to be the LOZ Mini Sydney Opera House. Wow, I almost messed that up. That's kind of a tongue twister. LOZ Mini Sydney Opera House, part of the architecture series. I do know that Lego also has an architecture series. Like I said with the Lego White House, or the LOZ White House video I did before, there is a Lego version of the Sydney Opera House. It looks very similar. The only difference that I could see just from like the box pictures was that this is a lot cheaper. This only went for like 15 bucks at my local store, Lego / puzzle store, the Puzzle Zoo in Santa Monica, downtown Santa Monica on the promenade. Very convenient, very good store. I've gotten a lot of different products from there, so yeah, if you're in the Santa Monica area, check it out. But anyway, without further ado, let's do it. The LOZ Mini Sydney. Wow, I actually messed up that time. The LOZ Mini Sydney Opera House Architecture Series. Let's go. All right, folks, there you have it. The Sydney Opera House LOZ edition. Overall, I really liked this model. I think it was very straightforward, relatively easy to do. I finished it pretty fast, a lot quicker than the White House at least. And, I think it turned out okay. You compare it to the picture, it's obviously a lot different than the real Sydney Opera House, but no, it's not that bad. Yeah, I really think it's cool how these look. I don't even know what you call these. The roofs, multiple roofs. Yeah, I mean, I assume people. I don't even know where people sit. I've only seen the Opera House from a distance. I assume this is not actually, these people don't actually sit up here, or maybe it's just for show. Anyway, I'll have to see it for myself one day. But yeah, overall, between this and the White House, I like LOZ, at least for the price. Obviously, it's not the Lego quality, I'd say. You can tell just by putting the blocks together. Lego actually goes like really well. This is, you can tell it's a little bit cheaper, hence why the entire model was a little cheaper. But it's you get what you pay for, and if you want a cheap alternative to Lego while still having that Lego feel, then LOZ is definitely a good investment. At least the LOZ models are a good investment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next one.